power of jump cuts. And when you have something that takes a long time, jump cutting really helps to accelerate that time. This is a prime example. He's got a new bike and he's going to set this bike up. It takes a long time to do. In storytelling, accelerate all that. Okay, we know we got a bike. We know we need to set up. Boom, 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 boom. It's done. Accelerate that whole process. And this is a fantastic example of the power of jump cuts right here. Take a look at this. Now, the thing with jump cut is the pacing. You got to listen to the audible, listen to the sounds that are happening. When he's doing these cuts, you hear the shing, kind of making a rhythm out of just the sounds that are being produced in the video. Look at it one more time and just really kind of listen to the audible that's happening. Master himself, master storyteller, Casey Neistat, doing what he does best. I just want to do a quick breakdown on this, just hitting on some of the key points. I've been analyzing a lot of stuff, a lot of social media, a lot of Mr. Beast, a lot of different content creators that I normally don't follow. I'm trying to learn what makes them tick, what little things can I grab from their videos that I can implement into mine, not necessarily copy, but techniques that I can use into my video to help me tell a better story. I hope this is something that you guys might be interested in. Please let me know down in the comments. I'll start cooking out some more. Definitely thank you very much. Patrick Levar, keep filming. It's the only way you'll get better.